Hi everybody, I'm Bryan, and this is Beadbird. How are you today, Beadbird? You good? All right, let's get this. You're a little bit off camera now. Maybe we can slide over. There we go. Okay, Beadbird. What is all this stuff? Really? I'm hungry. Are you hungry? Okay. Beadbird says we're going to make sandwiches tonight. Have you ever made a sandwich before? No? Oh, it's not that hard. We'll make a special one, okay? All right. What kind of sandwich? PB&J. Okay. Mom makes those, doesn't she? Yep. We're going to learn how to make our own? Yep. I have to show you? Okay. All right, we need a butter knife, a safe butter knife. We don't play with these, we just use them for what they're supposed to be used for, and we're done with them. We're just gonna spread some peanut butter and jelly, and then we're good. And what else do we need? Bread. Okay, let's get some bread. We got our basic white bread right here. You think I can do this one-handed? All right, let's see. Rake. Oh, this is going to be so much fun. There we go. How many pieces? Two. 2 pieces. Can you count the 2? I thought you could. 1, 2. 2 pieces. 2 pieces of bread. We'll put that away for now. And now we got our bread. We didn't bring a plate, did we? We're okay without it? All right. Now, we're going to put on the peanut butter first, right? This is Jif peanut butter. No, we did not make any money advertising for them, did we? There's not a lot left. This is going to be fun. We're going to peanut butter out. At least try to. We're gonna put it right on the bed, bread. Your Beadbird, not bread bird. What's in there? Lots of peanut. That's enough for this sandwich. Look at that. Doesn't that look good? This is the way Mom makes them? Yep. Okay. There, we got enough? Okay, good. Now what comes next? Beadbird says jelly comes next. Remember, put your lids back on. Don't do this unless your mom says it's okay. Right? Always put the lid back on. New bottle of Smucker's Concord Grape Jelly. Like that, right? Okay. And I haven't opened this jar yet. It's going to be tough. First time you open a jar is usually pretty tough. Let's see if I can get it. Oh, that was easy. There we go. We got our jar open. A little bit of body English in there. And take a butter knife, scoop out some jelly. Does that look good? Okay, does it meet your approval? Good. Let's see if we can get some on the sandwich. Can we do this without Mom saying so? Nope, we don't. We get Mom's permission to do this. This might be the first thing you guys get to learn how to make for yourself. This is the easy one. but we're gonna do it with a little twist. Put on a bunch of jelly. I like jelly. You like jelly? Good. Get that jelly on there. You should use a spoon. There we go. We got a pretty good amount of jelly on there, especially for what we're about to do. Okay, what do we do next? Beadbird says cover it up, and we're covering it up. Now we'll set that aside. Now how are we going to do this? Flip it. Okay. We're going to flip it. Take that one, put it on the bottom. Take that one, put it on the top. Does that look good? Good. Now remember, I said we're going to do something special. You want to do something special with it? Okay. I brought something with me tonight just for doing this. Look at this. You know what this is? It's a cookie cutter.
Yeah!
Okay. You like cookie cutters, I see. We're going to take this cookie cutter. We're going to put it right on the sandwich. Right on our PBJ. Look okay? Alright, good. And then we're going to cut it. We're just going to smush it. You ready? On 3. 1, 2, 3. We're pushing that thing down. We're pushing it all the way around. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Pushing that cookie cutter right through the sandwich. Okay, I think we got it. Okay. Now, time to eat, right? We're gonna eat the outside first because the best part's in the middle. We're gonna take this, peel it right off. See that? Look at that. Everybody see that? There is our PBJ sandwich gingerbread man made within the cookie cutter. But do we eat that first? That's against the rules. We made a mess out of this, so we gotta eat it up. Destroy the evidence. Okay. Okay, you ready? You gotta get it out. Just gonna take our finger and push it down. Look at that. And there's our gingerbread sandwich, cookie, sandwich, cookie, sandwich. That's the best part, there's no crust. It was good. Make a good sandwich. All right, I think that's the end of it. All we get to do is clean up our mess. Do we clean up our mess every time? Yep, every time. My name is Bryan. This is Beadbird. And we're saying goodbye until the next video. Who knows what we're going to do? Maybe something special.